Monster Math presents Addition Below 10. Okay, class, let's begin. What is 5 plus 3? We can solve the problem.
Meet the new student, Royce Bedoys. Welcome back to school, children. We have a new student and her name is Flora. Bye, Flora. I'll pick you up after school. Please don't leave, Mommy. Oh, no, she's crying. She must miss her mom. It's okay. Everyone here is nice. Right, Royce Bedoys? Oh my gosh, what a crybaby. Stop it, Royce Bedoys. This is her first time going to school and she feels all alone. You're not better, Royce Bedoys. I bet you cry about things she doesn't. Okay. When can you be Flora's buddy for the day? I'd love to. Let's go play with the blocks, Flora. Ooh, blocks seems fun. I can't move. Why? Ew, she peed. See, I was right. She's a baby. Oh no, Royce Bedoys, that is not nice to say. She's just nervous and doesn't know how to ask to use the restroom. Flora, when you need the restroom, just raise your hand and tell the teacher, okay? Okay. Oh, that happens. I'll call your mom to bring another dress. Thanks, Miss H. Thanks, Mommy. Bye. Hey, you didn't cry when your mommy left. I'm more relaxed now. I'm proud of you, Flora. Me too. I'm glad you're more relaxed now because I don't want to hear you crying. Royce Bedoys! Recess time! You can't play with us, Flora. We don't play with babies. Again, Royce Bedoys? I'll play with her. Me too. Me too. You guys are picking her over me? We're best friends. Who's going to play with me? Now you know how it feels to have no friends. See, you're the one crying now. You can play with us, Royce Bedoys. We can all play together. Aw, that's very nice of Flora. Royce Bedoys, make a smart choice. Oh, he's thinking. What is he going to say? What is he going to do? Okay, maybe we can all be Flora's buddy for the day. I like that. That's good, Royce Bedoys, for being so understanding. And that is having a good heart. Make sure you hit like or subscribe so that I can put more story time for you.